Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 12th August 2025. President Trump has extended the suspension of higher US tariffs on Chinese imports for another 90 days, averting a return to elevated tariff levels. This decision, made just before the deadline, follows recent trade negotiations in Stockholm. The initial 90-day suspension was agreed upon in May after discussions in Geneva, and this extension prolongs the pause in tariff increases. US tariffs on diamonds, escalating from 10% to 50% since April, have led to approximately 100,000 job losses in Saurashtra's diamond cutting and polishing industry, particularly impacting smaller units. While some workers are transitioning to lab-grown diamond or LGD sector, concerns remain about potential tariff impacts on LGDs. The Reserve Bank of India has clarified that individual banks have the autonomy to decide on the minimum average balance or MAB requirements for savings accounts. While some private banks like ICAI Bank are increasing MAB, several state-owned banks including SBI, PNB, Canara Bank and Indian Bank are eliminating penalties for not maintaining minimum balances to promote financial inclusion. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has proposed introducing a single window access for low-risk foreign investors seeking to participate in the Indian securities market, a move aimed at simplifying compliance and enhancing the country's attractiveness as an investment destination. The new framework, single window automatic and generalized access for trusted foreign investors, if implemented, would provide easier investment access to low-risk foreign investors, enable a unified registration process across multiple investment routes, and reduce repeated compliance and documentation for such entities. Omnichannel retailer Bluestone's initial public offering was subscribed 39% on the first day of the bidding on Monday, primarily led by strong traction from the qualified institutional buyers category with 57% of shares subscribed. This is an unusual trend as QIB participation typically accelerates in the later stages of the offering as institutional investors gauge broader market sentiment before bidding. The Lok Sabha has passed the Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2025 and the Income Tax No. 2 Bill 2025 with voice vote. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman moved these legislations amidst protest by the opposition members over the special intensive revision exercise in Bihar and other issues. The Income Tax No. 2 Bill 2025 is intended to consolidate and amend the law relating to income tax, while the Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2025 will further amend the Income Tax Act 1961 and to amend the Finance Act 2025. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.